Hi friends. So today I'm going to discuss on the second part of this UI developer Reactjs interview questions. So this part is for the coding questions which I had faced for the interview, and this is for the JavaScript. So the first question: code for returning sum of five numbers using function query. So actually, I was asked to write a program to provide sum of five numbers, and then he wanted me to modify it using function query and to explain the concept behind it. So that was the first question. Second question: code for finding the max repeated character in a string. So a string is given, and we need to find the max repeated character. If a character is repeating for the five times and other one for the two times, we need to output the five time repeated character. If two characters are repeating for the same max count, then we need to provide it as an array. Now, code for returning the longest string. So I was given with length 5 of few words and one word with 6 length as 6. So I wanted to display that word which was having length as 6. Now, fourth one, each object have a person's first name, middle name, and last name. So I was given five objects, and each was having this first name, middle name, and the last name. So I wanted to display the first name and last name of the five of all the five objects in a in the console. So how we will do that? That was the other one. Now, the next question is to display hello after 1 second. So, for every 1 second, it needs to print in the console as hello, 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 and it should only continue till the 10 second. After that, it should not be displayed. So, that was the other code. And then the next code was the shallow copy and deep copy. So, how we will explain them through a code. Deep copy, even if you are not able to provide a code, it's fine, but shallow copy we need to be a good understanding on that. Now other question. So this is for let const and var. So how it is what is the concept, what is the knowledge on it helps in checking like what is the knowledge we have in hoisting, scoping, those logic. So this is a question for let. And the next question is for the const. So we know that const words like objects and all we can't reassign, right? So how it will be affecting in this prop when we modify a property, those things. Then the next question is to sort array of numbers. So array sorting of array of words and all strings and all, it is very easier using this array dot sort method, right? So but in sorting the numbers, it's actually a little different. So that's why a question was asked for me on that. Now code for returning sum of array elements using array dot reduce method. So the same, finding sum using array dot reduce method. So it is used to check for the awareness of reduce method. Then the next one. So an item is given a const and a jacket and t-shirt. Some items are given. So its length is assigned as 0. So how the array is getting modified when we specify the statement item dot length equals to 0. So that's what the interviewer wants to know. Then the next question is to find using map find the probability of string to be palindrome. So a word is given. Usually we know that a word is given, and we need to check whether it's palindrome or not. We will check from the both side, right? MADAM. So M is at the beginning and the end also it's there, and A is there, and here after D is also A is there. So that is a palindrome, madam. But here a word is given like ADAMM. So this word is given, and we are supposed to say that whether the rearrangement of the character will give a palindrome or not. So that was the question, and we wanted to like the interviewer wanted me to specifically tell explain the logic using the map. So that was the other question. Now the next one is enter the numbers 1 to 10 into an array, and it should be inputted in a ascending order. So how we will do that? So using this unshift method. So that is what the I have given the answer. Now the next question is to display numbers with multiples of 5 using filter and map method. So here interviewer wants to know whether we are aware of this filter and map method. So there are so many numbers and we need to filter it out using only for the multiples of 5, numbers with multiples of 5, and then we need to display it using map methods. So these were some of the JavaScript coding questions which were asked in my interviews. So I hope it would be helpful for you. So please do subscribe my channel for more videos, and please do comment for any queries. And for the specific PPT, for the original one, for the previous one also, some a few of them had asked me, but I had lost it. So please take the screenshots of that. So that would be, otherwise I need to create it for the further, right? So that's why please do understand, and kindly do the subscribe and for more videos. Thank you.